Artoonza.
All right, royal artists. Ready to design a princess dress so gorgeous, even Cinderella might DM us for fashion tips? Today, we're creating the ultimate sparkly dress with 5 adorable hearts, because one just isn't extra enough. We're using glitter, acrylic paint drops, fancy brushes, and a sneaky vacuum that eats excess glitter. It's like a tiny cleaning robot, but naughtier. This dress will be so shimmery with pink and gold glitter polish. Give us your light. Grab your markers, glitter, paint droppers, and princess energy. Let's create a dress fit for the sparkliest princess, you! Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time for Princess Pink! We're dropping paint like little color raindrops because using a brush like a normal person, too boring. Drip, drop, swish, swash. This pink is so pretty, even flamingos are taking notes. Ooh la la, minty fresh green alert! Drop those paint drops and watch the magic happen. This green is so refreshing, your dress might start photosynthesizing. Just kidding. It's paper, not a plant. But it is looking fabulous. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
Royal purple incoming. Drip those paint drops like you're decorating a queen's castle. This purple is so majestic, even grapes are jealous. Fun fact, purple is the color of royalty and grape juice. Coincidence? I think not. Shoo, go away. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Sunshine yellow time. Drop it, brush it, make it glow. This yellow is so bright, you might need sunglasses. Or maybe that's just the glitter reflecting. Either way, our dress is literally brighter than my future. Roses are red, and so is this paint. Drip, drop, done. This red is so bold, even apples are taking fashion tips from us. Smash that like button now. Heart approved. Gold glitter polish party. The most extra, most fancy, most sparkly moment. This gold is shinier than a disco ball at a unicorn party. Last but definitely not least, sky blue, dropping these final paint drops like confetti at a celebration. This blue is so dreamy, clouds are asking for our interior decorator's number. And just like that, we've created pure magic. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.